Ever wondered why your before pay limit is stuck at a measly $50? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of digital financial limits and uncover the secrets behind this seemingly arbitrary number. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's clarify what before pay actually is. It's a fantastic service that allows you to make purchases online even before your actual payment is processed. Think of it as a digital line of credit, a virtual safety net that bridges the gap between your intentions and your funds. So, why the $50 limit? Is it a personal insult, a cosmic joke, or perhaps a carefully calculated financial strategy? Well, the answer, as with most things in life, is a bit more complex. Understanding the limits. Financial institutions, be it banks or fintech companies, aren't in the business of charity. They're risk-averse organizations that carefully assess every transaction. When you sign up for a service like Before Pay, they're essentially extending you a credit line, albeit a small one. Now, to determine your limit, they consider a variety of factors. Credit score, your credit history is a major determinant. A strong credit score signifies financial responsibility, making you a more attractive borrower. Income level, a higher income typically translates to a higher limit. It's a simple equation, more money in, more credit out. Transaction history, your past spending habits play a role. Consistent, timely payments can boost your credibility. Account age, a longer account history with a financial institution can lead to increased trust and higher limits. Risk assessment, algorithms and manual reviews assess your overall risk profile. How to increase your before pay limit. So, you're not happy with your $50 limit? Here are some practical tips to potentially boost it. Pay on time, every time. Punctuality is key. Consistent, timely payments demonstrate your reliability. Keep your account active, use your account regularly, even for small transactions. This shows active usage and responsible behavior. Increase your income. A higher income can lead to a higher credit limit. Improve your credit score, pay off debts, avoid late payments, and maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio. Contact customer support. Sometimes, a simple conversation with customer support can yield positive results. Explain your situation and ask if there are any steps you can take to increase your limit. While a $50 before pay limit might seem restrictive, it's important to remember that it's a starting point. By following these tips and demonstrating responsible financial behavior, you can gradually increase your limit and enjoy the full benefits of this convenient service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.